Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications for XIAOMI 12T. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here try to find Notify Body. Now select this app and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions. Last is battery optimization, and it's optional to disable it. So if the app doesn't work properly, go back and disable the setting. Go to the next step, click on OK, and from here we can start using this app. So there's 4 tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In the User you can change and allow all the apps for custom LED lamp notifications. In the System you can find all apps bound to the system. In Active there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about the LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, or color. Lots of options for customization, and then click on the test to see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.